Let us understand the Vlookup function in Excel. This is the reference master data from where we want the data in table from Vlookup function. Type is equal to Vlookup bracket. Select the lookup value. Now select the table array from reference data sheet. Select the lookup value column in reference master data sheet and drag the selection till headers required. Column number is the index number, which appears while selection of headers. Type index number 0 for exact match bracket close. Data will reflect in table. Now copy the formula and paste the same in next cell and change the index number for getting data. Now copy the formula in all rows and desired data will appear through Vlookup function.